welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natasha B, and I'm back with another video. I just want to start the video off by saying Happy New Year to everyone, and let's go ahead and kick this video off. So first off, if you don't already know, I do have my own company, and it's called Ambrosia Collection. It's a hair company. I'm actually in the middle of relaunching my lashes. I'm just kind of getting some things together, but I will let you guys know when those officially launch because they have a quick, cute little spin to them. So I'll have all of that information linked down in the description box if you want to check that out. So first things first, when you're first deciding that you want to become an entrepreneur, the very first thing that you will definitely need is a business idea. So what exactly do you want to sell? Like, what is your vision for whatever businesses it is that you want to create? Because in essence, it's almost like having a baby. You know, you want to name the baby and stuff like that. So you need like a name, an idea, that whole situation in order to kind of start the foundation of creating a business. So is there something that you're good at? You can create a business out of that. You can even YouTube a bunch of like business ideas. I know there's tons of videos out there about it. It's different business models, so you can kind of figure out exactly what type of business you want. Do you kind of want like a little side hustle? Do you want something that's going to eventually get you away from your 9-to-5 job? Do you just kind of want something that's just more passive? What exactly it is that you want to do, and what niche exactly do you want to get into? So when I say niche, I mean kind of like when you choose an industry that you want to get into, what specifically about that industry is it that you're interested in? So for me personally, I love beauty stuff. Like, I love the hair, the makeup, lashes, all that kind of stuff. That's like my thing. But more or less, the more fine-tuned thing within beauty that I personally love is extensions. So, which is why I sell hair extensions. So that's kind of how that whole thing came about. So for you, you just need to figure out what it is. I have a notebook. I don't have it with me, unfortunately, but I have a notebook, and in that notebook, it's just kind of like a jotting pad. So whenever I do kind of like get an idea or something like that, I can write it down in that notepad. Or if I have certain things that I'm trying to meet, I'll just kind of like write them out. Sometimes writing them out actually helps a lot. Also, too, another thing you can do is you can use your notes that are on your phone. I use that a lot because I know sometimes in the middle of the night when you're like laying in the bed, an idea pops in my head and it's like, oh, that'd be a great idea. And literally my best ideas come when I'm laying in the bed and I don't want to move. So I have my phone by me, of course, all the time. And of course, I just kind of jot down whatever the idea is in my notes, and then I let it be. So therefore, I can always reference it later on. So moving on from that. So now you have a business idea, and I mean, a business name, I mean, that will eventually come, but like I said, definitely the concept and the idea of what you want your business to be about is something that you definitely need, because then from there you can start building, and then eventually usually the name kind of comes a little bit later. It just honestly depends on you. Everybody's journey is different. So please do not look at other people's journeys on YouTube and stuff and believe that that's the way your journey is going to be, because it's not. And then two, people don't always share every failure that they go through as well. So you might be going through something that technically somebody that you've seen have gone through as well, but you would never know because they never showed it to you exactly. So, or if they did show it to you, they didn't disclose all of the details. So that's the thing. So please be sure that, you know, understand that this journey is for you and you alone, and everybody's journey is different. Okay, so now moving along, the next thing, I'll talk about logos. So I definitely recommend you getting a logo. It definitely builds customer trust, all that kind of stuff. If you don't have a logo, it just kind of makes your business look a little sketchy. So definitely you can go to Fiverr. Fiverr, I'll have it linked down below as well. You can go there, find freelancers for any and everything you need. If you want somebody to make your website, a logo, everything, there's somebody on there that can do it for you. So if you use software, programmers, like all kind of anything that you need is on there. So you just kind of go there. You kind of have to like, it's an app, so you can download the app. And two, you can go online onto Fiverr. But I just have the app, and I will always use the app. So you go on there, you kind of scout out any potential freelancers that you would like to work with. So, and something that's also within your budget, but also remember, you get what you pay for. So you can use Fiverr. It's a pretty decent tool. I know a lot of entrepreneurs actually use it. It's cheap, it's quick. whatever. So you find whatever it is, you kind of type in whatever it is that you're looking for, and then you type in like logos or something like that, and then all kinds of freelancers will come up, and then you just kind of look through their work and see which one pretty much speaks to you, like which one can you feel from their previous work can make your vision come to life. So yeah, that's pretty much how that works. And then everything else, you just kind of contact them, and then you just kind of go from there, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. All right, so another thing that I definitely recommend that you get are business cards. Whenever you do get like a name and a logo and stuff like that, you can get like a business card, or you can get like little flyers or something like that. And that right there, just pretty much, you can get them for cheap at Vistaprint. They usually always have some sort of promo code. You can like Google Vistaprint promo codes right now, and then like something to come up. If I can find something, I'll put it in the description box for you. But honestly, you can just kind of find it anywhere. But I know some people are just like, girl, just give it to me. So if I find it, then I'll put it in the description box for you guys. But yeah, so you can go onto Vistaprint, and you can get you some business cards made for like $10, like 500 of them for $10. So on your business cards, you usually like to have like your name of your company, your logo on there. You usually have like your website. Sometimes people put like their phone number or whatever the case may be, and then they like pass them out to like friends and family, you know, pass them out to maybe potential clients, or just whatever. Whenever somebody asks like, hey, what do you do? Like, oh, I do this, and here's my card, or whatever. Also have an email address on the business card as well. So I will also get into more details about like creating a website, emails, all that kind of stuff in another video. But for right now, I just kind of want to give you a few things to start off with. I don't want to overload you guys with information, but yeah, so you can get you like some business cards. It's really cheap. Like I said, it's $10, and that right there can kind of like get you started or whatever. So I will also make a video about like how I do my business cards and stuff like that, because I'm getting new business cards. I have some now already, but I want to show you guys like the process of like maybe like creating a business card and stuff like that. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if that's something else that you would like to see. Let me know in the comments anything else that you would like for me to discuss as far as business. I do have a lot more ideas coming. Just be on the lookout for those. Make sure you hit the bell notification, so for whenever I post, you get the notification first. So thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with me. It has been an amazing experience with you guys so far, and I look forward to the new year with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.